Zcash has been a quiet giant, pulling in large volumes in trade every 24 hours. In this video, I'll show you a quick way that I make profit trading arbitrage on Zcash. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified every time we release new updates. As you can see here on CoinMarketCap, Zcash is pulling in large volumes on trade. As you can see, we have 1.95 billion in trade for just the past 24 hours on Zcash alone. And remember what I told you guys earlier, where there is large volume, there's definitely arbitrage opportunity. So all I just did was I will be trading Zcash on the BSC network because this makes things easier for me, and then I have some cash on my BSC blockchain. Now the first thing I'm going to do is exit out of my browser. Just exit out and then go to my Trust Wallet. Once I go to my Trust Wallet, just let me this is my wallet, this is my Trust Wallet. Once I'm here, the first thing you do is click on the discover. Once you click on the discover, just go to the search bar and then type in Valeris Network. We should type that in, allow it to load. As you can see, now we're connected to the platform. Now the first thing you'd want to make sure you've done is you've connected your wallet to the platform, because if not, you will not be able to make any kind of trade here. Now, if you do not know how to connect your wallet to the platform, it's actually easy. Just click on the button, the wallet button or the connect wallet button, and then follow the prompt. But if you get confused, a video will be dropped at the top of a video link will be dropped at the top of this video that leads you to a video that shows you how to sync or properly sync your wallet with Valeris Network. With that out of the way, the next thing you want to make sure that you've done is change your network from Ethereum to BNB. Now, on default, it will be on Ethereum unless you have traded with the platform before and maybe you change your network. That's when you see different network connected. But I have done some trade on BNB, and that is why I have my BNB network selected. But just make sure you change the network from Ethereum to BNB for Zcash, because we are dealing with Zcash on Ethereum network. Now, the next thing you want to do is to click on this menu and then hit the swap button. Now, once the swap page loads, the next thing I want to do is I have a few USDT, and this is what I'll be using to buy the Zcash. So all I just have to do is click on the BNB down here, and once that is clicked, I'll search for Zcash. Now, as you can see, we have Zcash here, and next thing I want to do is click on it. But before I click on it, there's something I want you to pay attention to. Look at the price of Zcash here. It is 336.09. This is what it's showing, the price for Zcash here. Now, if we move back to the browser and scroll up, you can see what Zcash price is currently here. Zcash is showing 389.44. So we are seeing an arbitrage or a space or a spread of almost $50. Now let's go back. This is a good opportunity for us. So while we're here back, let me just select the Zcash. After Zcash is selected, the next thing I'll do is provide in the amount of USDT I want to swap for Zcash. So I'll be swapping 1,500 USDT for Zcash, and this is going to give me about 4.469952 Zcash. So the next thing to do will be to click on the swap button and then click on the confirm to allow this process. Give it a few seconds, and as you can see, we have successfully swapped our USDT to Zcash. But this is not the most exciting place. Just close out of that and exit out of the platform. Come back to your Trust Wallet, and on my Trust Wallet, just give it a few seconds. Let the transaction we did reflect. Okay, as you can see, the transaction has reflected, and our Zcash balance is available on our wallet. Now I can click on the Zcash and click on activities. Just give this a few seconds to load. As you can see, we swapped 1.5k USDT for 4.47 Zcash. Now, this Zcash that we swapped here is equal to 1,748 USD. Now, we made approximately $248 in profit just swapping Zcash from Valeris Network, and then buying Zcash from Valeris Network and probably selling off on Trust Wallet or PancakeSwap or any other exchange that has a higher value. Now I want you to know that any price you're seeing here or value you're seeing here is same as what you will see on PancakeSwap or on CoinMarketCap, because they both use the same price feed. Now guys, I hope that this video was helpful, because this was a very good, easy win, and you do not need to be a crypto expert or a trained professional or a seasoned professional to make this trade happen. You can do this multiple times and make more profit from it. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification to be informed every time I release a new update. Also like the video, and if you have questions, do not forget to drop them on the comment section. I'll always be there to answer anything you have. Until next time, stay good.